Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to optimize Google Ads for conversions. When you're running Google Ads, your conversion setup, crucial, absolutely a step that cannot be missed. It's your dashboard, it's what allows you to be able to navigate your campaign. In my previous videos, I showed you how to optimize Google Ads for conversions for phone calls. I did another one for websites, and now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the import function in Google Ads conversion setup dashboard. Hi, I'm Richard Cruz. I'm the founder of WSI Priority Media. The purpose of this video and every video that I do is to help your business thrive. Conversion tracking, crucial to the success of online marketing. It lets you see what people do, the conversion actions they take after seeing your ad, all that data you want at your fingertips. You set up one conversion action at a time, but the cool thing is that you can track multiple conversions all inside of that one dashboard. To use the import feature, you have to start in your Google Ads account, and then you click on the wrench icon that you see here. And then from the wrench icon, you click on measurement and you go down to conversions. Here, what you'll do is you'll see 4 different options when you go to create a new conversion. And this is the 2 that I did recently, the phone calls and the websites, and they're all really unique. They have their own intricacies. That's why we're doing a new video on each one. When I go here, there's 5 different options that are available, really 4, but 2 are similar. There's Google Analytics. This is the most common, and this is what we're going to focus on tonight. You can do Google Analytics traditional, or if you have an app, you use that. You can use third-party analytics, you can use Salesforce, or you can use other data sources like CRMs. So this is the most common. We'll go here to Google Analytics. What this does is it brings you up to your goals. Your goals are a really, really crucial aspect of that. So when you click, you're presented with this list of goals. If you haven't set up goals inside of your analytics yet, you need to. Your goals, they are absolutely pivotal because they're your process of training Google to know exactly what you want. So some goals that we use are, for example, you'll see across here, you can see the different descriptions of the conversion actions. And some of those that will be, for example, is scrolling down on the page. If they scrolled 75%, the number of pages that they visited, the videos, for example, that they watched. Those are all called micro goals. We use those primarily for retargeting. We assign a score to each visitor. So we know our interested traffic based on how many micro goal triggers that they hit, and we add up their cumulative score. So say, for example, somebody who has scrolled 75%, has been on the website for 5 minutes plus, has gone through 6 different pages and watched 2 videos, they're racking up score. They are very interested in you. And if they leave your website without contacting you, your scoring is what's going to be able to allow you to identify who's interested and who's not, who to retarget and who not. So that's the purpose of the micro goals. And then what you have is you have macro goals that are in here. Your macro goals is what you want the end result to be. For example, if you want a purchase right at the checkout, that is a macro goal. Or say this is a lead generation and you want a form fill, that's your macro goal. So for conversions, always use your macro goals here when you're selecting your conversion action. For retargeting, you use your micro. For conversions, you use your macro. And so it's as simple as that. Once you click on here, what that is, do one at a time here so that you can have it very segmented. You bring those goals in, and then your dashboard will show you what your total conversions are. And you just import and you continue. And that's how you do it to set up your conversion actions. This is how to step-by-step be able to optimize your Google Ads for conversions using the import feature. If you want to learn about setting up the optimizations for calls or websites, just search the blog page and then you'll find those videos showing you how. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime at wsiprioritymedia.net or leave me a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe so you're alerted of future training videos. I look forward to seeing you again on the next one.